Hello. The weather is beautiful today. Go outside and pick up a pile of blocks. Preparing to build a bulldozer. Let's see how I built it. Let's start with a cockpit. Build shields on both sides. Joystick installation. Seat installation. Then build the car's chassis and wheels. The last wheel is reversed. Did you find out? Install escalators on both sides. The answer is wrong. Hurry up and fix it. Install the cockpit up. Then build the push part. When I build the propulsion, please help me long press like the seconds. Ask people a question, by the way. You like crawler bulldozers? Or a tire bulldozer? Installed on the car chassis. Then build a windshield. Finally building the roof. It's finished. Have you learned? Follow me to help you unlock more building block games.